Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary. Today, we're going to be looking at how you can notarize a statement of consent for a U.S. passport issuance to a child. Now, you might see this document when a parent is unable to go with a child to apply for a passport. So we're in a session right now with this document, and as you can see, it's a lot of information that has nothing to do with us as a notary. What we're interested in is making sure that the document is filled out without any blanks. So we see that the signer, whose name is Michelle, is filling this out for a child named Lacey. And so we see that Michelle is the legal parent, and she is the only parent, and so this is the information. So it has been filled out. Now here we have no information for the secondary parent, but it is blank. So if we'd like, we can put NA in here just so it's not blank. So let's just do that so that there are no blanks on the form. Now, just putting these not applicables here. So here is our section that we're really interested in, our part where we have to give the oath to Michelle, making sure that she understands and affirms that this document is true to the best of her knowledge or belief. And we're going to be dropping our signatures, information about Michelle, and of course, our seal and signature. So here we have the signature for Michelle. So let's press our hotkey of S and put Michelle's primary signer signature here. Make that a bit smaller. Put that here. And we want to put the date. So I'm going to press D and put the date right here. Now, if we want, we can also put the NA here as well, since there is no other legal guardian. So let's put a T. I'm going to put NA for this text box. I'm going to put that here. And I'm going to put another T for text box and write NA and put that here. Now I want to put information about Michelle's proof of identity. And we see we have a driver's license, passport, and we can check this by going up here to our menu and looking at the participant ID and status. But for this, so let's say we're going to put a check mark here. I can drag my check and I'll put it next to driver license. I want to put Michelle's name. I'm going to press my hotkey of 1. Now for Michelle's name, and I'm going to put a text box and put her driver's license ID number. Place of issue, let's put a text box and let's say Colorado. Now. So now we need to put the issue date. Let's put a text box. Let's say that her license was issued January 1st, 2024. Now we can put that date here, and the expiration date, we can put a text box of 11/20/2027. Let's put that here. Now this again is blank because there is not another parent or guardian. If we want to make sure that it's not blank, we can use our tools here. Let's put a line. I want to make this a black line, and I want to draw it through here. And I can annotate that I'm the one who made this X by putting my initials. I'm going to adopt these initials and put that right here so that everyone knows that I'm the one that crossed that out. And let's put some NAs in these fields as well. So I'm going to press text NA here. Now. And one more.
Now.
Okay, now that we filled that out, I can go ahead and drop my signature by pressing S.
Now.
I'm going to adopt this signature. Put that right here. I'm going to put the date. I will drag and drop this time. Today's date, put that here. I can put the location. So let's say where I'm sitting. I'm going to say Monroe, New York. And I can drop my seal. Now this is really small, but I'm going to try to make it fit. So I'm going to press the hotkey of N and just fix my seal here. Really small. And so before I finish and complete the session, I'm going to ask Michelle if this looks correct and complete to her, and then I can go ahead and end the session.
Now.
So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.